What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Watch all the videos, check them out, subscribe, join the Discord, join us. We'll talk about sneakers, trainers, fashion, everything. Let's get the views up, the numbers up, everything. If you're enjoying the views, leave a like, leave a comment, click the bell icon, and let's get into this one. So this is going to be the first ever unboxing I've done where the shoe is going to unbox itself. Self unboxing, auto unboxing. The shoe is unboxing itself. Look at this, people, man. So I haven't had the Howler, but I think I'm going to 50% own the Howler for this box. So indirectly I've been involved in the Howler. Look at that flat out box. I'm supposed to read the label. This box is ruining the whole video. So they're the Puma Rsx Efekt trainers, Tan UK 10. So that's what I'm just going to call them, the Tans. Personally, because I've had Air Forces this color, I love this color, man. I think this color is amazing. I saw it online and I thought, I need this pair. I ended up getting them on sale, so I definitely wanted them bad. But I didn't want to pay retail, not gonna lie. Retail isn't bad at £100. But paying retail all the time, especially if it's £100 or whatever, it's still kind of mad. These were £60, so that's decent. 40 quid off, I can put that to another pair. Love them. I love this color. I love these, neutrals, beige and stuff. But what we'll do is we'll start from the bottom. It's got that Puma RSX sole that comes on all of them. It does say Puma RSX there, so all white. Then the midsole is basically all white midsole, literally the whole thing. Got a bit of squares there and stuff. But the only bit that isn't all white is this last bit, which is a very light olive green, I'd say. Lovely color. I have to say, I love this color. I don't know what it's doing on this shoe, but you know what, it works. I'm gonna let it. If they had this color on the whole shoe, I would also buy those. I love these Pumas. Anyone who's been watching my channel for a long time, or even just search on my channel for Pumas, I was a Puma addict. I was addicted to Pumas, always buying Pumas because of the comfort, because of the designs, the styles. I had so many Pumas, so many different types of outfits and stuff I matched them up with. It was going Puma crazy. So on the bottom we've got wraps around the heel, so it's actually behind this plastic bit. We've got a suede. It's a good suede. It's not, a rubbish suede. Nice and smooth. Right on the heel. And then it does, underneath the plastic bit, go all the way around. So that's that suede. And then again, around. Toe box. This toe box is a weird material. It's like a felt. But I'm not sure if it is felt. It just feels weird to the touch, to be honest. Then I like to break down the materials, like going layer by layer type of thing. So back layer, etc. We'll go with the plastic that's right at the top. We've got the plastic that goes around. So all the RSX have this plastic. It's kind of like on the heel. It says RSX. That's like sketched in or etched in, whatever you want to call it. in that same color as the Puma swoosh. Yes, I call it the Puma swoosh. That's just what I'm going to call it, and that's what it's going to be known as. That's just a standard leather on there. Then we've got another layer. That's again like a felt material, and throughout the whole shoe, the base of it, so the actual starting layer, is this, you know, kind of mesh, standard mesh. On the toe box again, we've got this type of felt. A lot of felt type material being used. I'm not angry at that. I do actually like this. So for example, this will be kind of easier to clean than mesh, I hope. But I'm not mad at that. They do have it on all the other pairs. Then we've still got little suede bits behind there. Another suede bit behind there. More suede, so the suede literally wraps it around. Laces. The best laces, to be honest. I love these laces a lot. Just because they stay, you know, fresh and last long. They look good. They drop nice. It is rounded laces in that same beige color. And then, of course, we've got more suede on the tongue. So we've got suede holding it, and then suede on the tongue. Then we've got a lace, not a lace loop, a tongue loop, slightly different to what we usually see. So a tongue loop that says RSX in that kind of olive green. And we also have a loop here. Not sure what this loop does, not gonna lie. I think it's just decoration. But overall, I can't believe I'm gonna say this for probably the first time ever. 10 out of 10, man. 10 out of 10. That's how much I like them. 10 out of 10, I have to say it. I had some Air Forces which was literally this colorway, you know, so the beige type color, tan I should say, actually, with the white midsole. They look so good on foot, as everyone will see. Comfort levels are just amazing because of the comfort insole. Price point £60, not going to lie. I think I'm gonna have to change the bargain buys to inflation bargain buys, because everything's costing a bit more now. But for 60 with the comfort, you know, you can't really go wrong, to be honest. Puma running system insole, soft, good cushioning, comfortable overall. 10 out of 10 for me for the first time ever. I believe I'm saying that. I love them, man. Let me know what you think, people. Tell me if you've got a pair. Tell me if you like them. Tell me if you hate them. Tell me if you rate them. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's talk sneakers in the Discord. And wait a few moments. You'll see an on-foot video. I'll also post a separate one. And always, most importantly, take care, people.
Bye.